everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will walk you through the customized EPS cutting line in the factory with empty test before deliver. The first half of the production line I will not explain in detail in this video. We will start to explain after the stacker. As you can see, EPS small package will push out by the steering push plate mechanism and deliver the small package to the PE film wrapping machine, and then by the big stacking machine to stack them together, so that is more efficient loading into the truck. This is the big stacking machine, which is responsible for stacking the small EPS package according to the request of 2 packages per layer or 3 packages per layer until they reach the set layers. Max stacking height is 3000 mm. Now we have total 7 layers. Those big stack will move slowly to the EPS leg insert machine to insert leg. Then the big stack move forward to the leg insert machine to insert the EPS leg in the bottom from the left and right side. Move forward to big PP packaging machine. Send them to the end of the transport after 2 strapping bundle, so that the forklift driver can take them away. If the leg insert mechanism is disabled, then the pop-up cylinder will pop up the big stacking so that the forklift driver can take them away. If you have any question, please let us know. We love questions. Questions are great that give us ideas for future content. So, if you've got something you want to see me cover, please let me know about it. I'll see you next video.